What goes up must come back down, which is why when we send astronauts to explore outer space, we have to make sure that the spacecraft they're traveling in is going to land safely. Thing is, as a spacecraft starts to land, it starts going really, really fast. We have gravity to thank for that. As a spacecraft gets closer to the planet it's going to land on, that planet's gravity starts to pull the spacecraft in. And that extra pull from gravity makes the spacecraft go super fast. In order for the spacecraft to land safely, we need it to slow down a lot before it touches the planet's surface. In our mission to slow down spacecraft quickly and safely, we get help from an unexpected source: the atmosphere. To use the air around a planet to our advantage, we use heat shields, which have an air-resistant design. On spacecraft, heat shields counteract the pull of gravity, slowing down the spacecraft as it lands. With the help of heat shields, we can slow down an entry vehicle from 10,000 miles per hour to just 1,000 miles per hour in 1 minute.